Hello everybody, welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. In this video, we are going to show you the basics of how to properly market your business on social media so that you can see real results, whether you are a beginner or you've been doing this for years. So grab your notepad and let's get started. I will advise you to watch until the end because we are going to give you some amazing tips towards the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now, let's get straight into the video. Number 1, identify your target audience. If you are marketing on social media, it's important to identify your target audience. Not everyone is going to be interested in your products or services, so it's important to focus your efforts on those who are most likely to be interested. Once you know who your target market is, you can start creating content that appeals to them. This will help you attract more leads and convert more sales. There are a number of ways to identify your target audience on social media platforms. First, take a look at the demographics of your channel or page subscribers. What age ranges do they fall into? What genders do they identify as? What countries are they from? This information can give you a good starting point for understanding who your channel or pages appeal to. You can also look at the comments and discussions taking place on your channel, page, and videos. What topics are people talking about? What questions are they asking? This can give you insights into the interests and concerns of your target audience. Finally, you can use analytics to see which videos are being watched most often and by which demographic groups. This will give you a better understanding of which types of contents are most popular with your target audience. By taking the time to identify your target audience, you can ensure that you are creating content that resonates with them and helps you achieve your business goals. Number 2, defining your social media goals is essential to marketing your business on social media effectively. Without a clear goal, you will not be able to measure your success or determine whether your marketing efforts are paying off. Therefore, it will be difficult to make adjustments to your strategy. There are a few different ways to approach setting goals for social media marketing. First, you need to consider what you want to achieve with your social media presence. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads? Once you have a good understanding of your goals, you can develop a plan for how to best use social media to achieve them. For example, if you want to increase brand awareness, you might set a goal of reaching X number of people with your contents. You will want to focus on creating high quality content and sharing them regularly. If you want to generate leads, you might set a goal of X number of lead forms filled out. You will need to create content that encourages users to take action. If you are looking to drive traffic to your website, you will need to include links in your posts and make sure your website is optimized for SEO. Whatever goals you set, just make sure they are SMART. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With a clear goal in mind, you can start developing a plan to achieve that. And with a little hard work and dedication, you can soon reach your social media marketing goals. Number 3, choose the social media platforms that best align with your goals. Nowadays, social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives. They provide us with a way to connect with friends and families, stay up to date on current events, and share our thoughts and feelings with the world. But with so many different platforms to choose from, it can be difficult to know which ones are right for us. For businesses, the answer is simple. Market on the social media platforms that best align with your goals. There are a variety of platforms out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. By choosing the right platform, you can ensure that your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. When choosing a platform, again, the first step is to identify your goals. Are you looking to build brand awareness? Are you looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads? Once you know what you are trying to achieve, you can start to narrow down your options with a few tips you will get now. If brand awareness is your goal, for example, Facebook and Instagram are both great choices. Both platforms have large user bases and they are highly visual platforms, which makes them ideal for building brand awareness. If you are looking to drive traffic to your website, on the other hand, Twitter could be a better choice. Twitter is great for sharing links, and its users are more likely to click on links than users of other platforms. If your goal is to reach a wide audience, you will want to focus on platforms like Facebook and Twitter, which have millions of users worldwide. If you are looking to target a specific niche market, then you will want to consider niche specific platforms like Instagram or Snapchat. And if you are simply looking to build brand awareness, then platform selection is less important than creating quality content that resonates with your target audience. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to choosing a social media platform. The best platform for you will depend on your specific goals. By choosing the right social media platform for your business goals, you can ensure that your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. Number 4, create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. In order to create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience, you need to understand your market and research the following. What type of content are they interested in? What social media platforms are they using? How often do they want to see new content? Once you've got a good understanding of these questions, you can start creating content that is relevant to them. This may mean posting videos and images on the relevant channels, writing blog posts, or creating infographics. It's also important to ensure that your content is well-researched, informative, well-crafted, and engaging. With a little effort, you can create high-quality content that will appeal to your target audience. If you can provide value to your viewers, they are more likely to keep coming back to your social media page or handle. Finally, don't forget to market your content on other relevant social media channels. This will help to ensure that your target market sees your content and gets exposed to your brand. By following these simple tips, you can create high-quality content that is relevant to your target market and achieve success on content creation. Number 5, post regularly and consistently. Posting regularly and consistently is key to keeping your business top of mind for potential customers. Studies have shown that the more often a business is seen, the more likely it is that consumers will purchase its products or services. This is especially true for businesses that are competing in crowded markets. For example, let's say you own a small business that sells handcrafted jewelry. There are probably dozens, if not hundreds, of other businesses selling similar products. If you want to stand out from the competition, you need to make sure your business is visible on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Posting videos of your latest creations, pictures of happy customers wearing your jewelry, and special offers will help you attract new customers and keep existing customers coming back for more. But quantity isn't enough. You also need to focus on quality. Your posts should be interesting, informative, and engaging. No one wants to see a series of boring sales speeches masquerading as content. So take the time to create well-crafted posts that will capture attention and generate excitement about your products and services. There are dozens of social media platforms out there like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, and so on, with their own unique benefits and features. So don't limit yourself to just one platform. Experiment with different ones and see which ones work best for your business. Staying active on social media can be time-consuming, but it's worth the effort if it means reaching more potential customers and increasing sales. Post regularly and focus on quality, and you will be sure to see results. Number 6, engage with followers and commenters. When someone leaves a comment or asks a question on one of your posts, take the time to reply as soon as possible. Don't leave them hanging. This shows that you are responsive and engaged with your audience, which will encourage them to continue interacting with you in the future. By following these tips, you can make sure that your social media marketing efforts are effective and engaging. Number 7, analyze your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's important to analyze your results and adjust your strategy accordingly in order to be successful. For example, if you are not seeing much engagement after a few weeks of posting, it might be time to try a different approach. Perhaps you need to post more often or create more interesting and compelling content. Additionally, consider using different platforms to reach different audiences. Different people use different social media sites, so it's important to have a presence on a variety of platforms. By monitoring your results and making adjustments as necessary, you can ensure that your social media marketing campaign is as effective as possible. Number 8, use hashtags to increase the reach of your posts. It's essential to make sure you are using hashtags to increase the reach of your posts. Hashtags are a way to categorize your content and make it easier for people to find. When you use relevant hashtags, you are more likely to show up in search results and be seen by people who are interested in what you have to offer. Additionally, using hashtags can help you connect with others in your industry and build relationships that can lead to new opportunities. So if you are not already using them, be sure to start incorporating hashtags into your social media strategy. It could make all the difference in expanding your reach and growing your business. Number 9, run social media ads for targeted marketing campaigns. Social media offers a unique opportunity for targeted marketing campaigns. By targeting ads to specific demographics, interests, and even locations, businesses can ensure that their message is reaching the right people. And with the ability to track results and adjust campaigns on the fly, social media ads offer an unparalleled level of flexibility and control. What's more, social media ads are relatively inexpensive, making them a great option for businesses for all sizes. So if you are looking to reach a specific audience with your marketing message, social media should be your go-to platform. Thanks for watching. To learn more about social media marketing, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be releasing new videos regularly, so stay tuned for more great contents. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.